Hey everyone! Have you ever looked up at the moon and wondered how many moons could be filled into Earth? It might seem like a silly question, but it turns out there's a fun science answer. Imagine we could hollow out Earth like a giant Easter egg. Okay, let's start. 1, 2, 3. Oh, there are so many moons. Brace yourselves, because this might surprise you. Estimates say we could squeeze in around 50 moons. Whoa, that's a lot of moons. But hold on a second. Earth is definitely not hollow. It's a giant ball of rock with a molten core at its center. But hey, it's a fun way to think about the size difference between our planet and its amazing moon. Thanks for joining this thought experiment. Let us know in the comments below, how many moons did you think would fit? And don't forget to subscribe us.